today. Oh my god. Oh, no. Now, what you just saw earlier are real-life situations of what could happen to any smartphone, and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G impressively survived. This is an all-upgraded, all-rounder phone with a killer value, not to mention that it comes with several meaningful upgrades that makes it one of the best mid-range phones to look forward to in 2026. The first big upgrade of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is durability, which comes with a high-strength fiberglass back panel with 10 times impact resistance. While on the front, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects the bigger 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display that can resist up to 2.5 meters of drop. And most importantly, it now features a new Redmi Titan structure that brings durability up a notch with a high-strength steel motherboard and reinforced mid-frame. This is why the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G has received the SGS Premium Performance certification, scoring 5 stars in drop, crush, and bend resistance. On top of its robust build quality, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus also comes with improved dust and water resistance. It now has IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K, which is a big improvement than the previous model that only has IP68, so that you can go eat hot pot and not worry about it accidentally dropping inside. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is also a great companion at the swimming pool, as it features AI Wet Touch 2.0 that automatically adjusts touch sensitivity when the screen is wet, so that you can still use it to reply text or take a nice photo while you are at the pool. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is future-proof out of the box, as it is powered by a Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor with 12 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. It is complemented by a large vapor chamber, which offers better sustained performance for intensive tasks like gaming and keeps temperature under control. It runs HyperOS 2 out of the box and will soon receive the HyperOS 3 update. And most essentially, you're getting up to 4 years of OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates, which is hard to come by on mid-range phones. Battery life is also one thing that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus impresses, with a 6500 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports up to 1600 charge cycles, which easily offers up to 2 days of moderate use on a single charge, and when battery runs low, Xiaomi's 100-watt hypercharge tops it up in just 40 minutes, and you can even reverse charge other devices you own with up to 22.5 watts. Finally, we definitely can't forget to mention the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus's upgraded camera system. It has a 4th generation 200 megapixel main camera with OIS and a large 1/1.4-inch sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. This is a very versatile camera system that can achieve shots that's almost on par as a flagship smartphone. Not to mention, with such a high resolution, you can crop into subjects easily with great clarity to achieve a creative shot. Take a look at these camera samples and let me know what you think about them in the comments. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a great mid-range phone to start the new year, with improved durability and continues to be the best all-round smartphone without breaking the bank. It is available for pre-order starting at 1,699 ringgit for the 256GB storage model. However, if you purchase the phone from 16 to 21st January 2026, you will receive a free storage upgrade to the 512GB storage model, which gives you instant 200 ringgit of savings. To sweeten up the deal, Xiaomi is also throwing in a free Redmi Pad SE 8.7-inch with cover that is worth 748 ringgit when you pre-order the phone from 16 to 21st January. So that's all for the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.